vocal going on. But my prompt to them was that we have been talking about Indian film and how folk music kind of informs Indian film music here and there. And you may hear it, you may not hear it, but the foundations are there. So I thought I might invite you to just take over from that prompt and then tell them a little bit about folk music, give us some examples, and if maybe at around 11:30 or so we can have an open discussion. But first, the stage is yours. And welcome to Mount Holyoke. Let's give them a big
Thank you very much. Hello, dear students, and Professor Sinha. Ashish ji is with me with accompaniment in percussion. My daughter, Jayantika De, she is also a student of undergraduate in Varanasi, India. Varanasi, you know, one of the most ancient cities of the world, which have the deep-rooted tradition of music, Sanskrit, literature, yoga, philosophy, many more. In music also there are diverse traditions of singing, khayal singing, one of the genre of music, and tabla is one of the very important place for tabla. Gharana we call the school of tabla. Similarly, there are other Shehnai and other. You must have listened the name of Bharat Bismillah Khan, who is one of the greatest Shehnai player, maybe or may not be. And Pandit Ravi Shankar, who visited Europe, America last century so many times. He lived here in America, and he also was also born in Varanasi. So it is one of the city which is called the city of enlightenment, Kashi or the Prakashi, where the Prakash or the light comes. So it's a city of enlightenment. It's not my first visit to Mount Holyoke. I have been before 13 years ago. So twice, one for class and one for performance there. I don't remember which hall it was, but it was as beautiful as your campus or colleges. It's one of the most beautiful colleges I have ever visited. 13 years ago, I came to Smith College for one semester of Indian music. I taught there in spring semester. My daughter was then 6.5 years old. So now she is enjoying all these places, actually recreating the memories there. So she is very busy in that. She is also a good singer, music major there. My son is also a musician, good musician. He is music professor in Banaras Hindu University, BHU, which is one of the topmost universities of the India. He teaches musicology there. So my full family is devoted to music, and you'll be happy to know this, that I have an academy there. I teach regularly to students like you, very young children like 7-8 years, sometimes very old like 72, 75 years also. So my range of the students from 6-7 years to 5 years also, 5 years to 72 years. The Academy of Classical Music, then Indian classical music. So at present we have 250 students there. Shilpayan, if you want to visit that in YouTube or Facebook, wherever, if you can. So today I have been given this topic of Bollywood, which is popularly known as Bollywood, Mumbai, Bombay, the city where there is a long history of 100 years of producing wonderful films, more than 100 years. It started with the time when sound was not there, and then era came when the actor and the singer was the same person who has to sing and act at the same time. So the musicians like him, like tabla players, have to hide behind some trees or some other places. They were playing from there because they cannot come, and the actress danced there and singing together. That was a long stages of development, and now everything has developed so far. But this film industry has a deep impact over Indian society and the change of mindset in you can say that because you know that our country is one of the most cultural diversified country, which has so many cultures, so many languages. It's hard to believe that there are at least 25 major languages, maybe 100 more, but like dialects and everything, but 25 recognized languages are there. And if I can understand, if I can speak 3 languages or 4 languages, if I can understand 5 or 4, 6 more, but rest of the languages, if they speak before me, I won't understand a single word from it. So different languages. Even the family of languages are also there. 2 different families. One is the South Indian languages like Tamil and Kannada and all this, and in the North Indian Sanskrit, Hindi and all that. But it's a kind of challenge to keep the whole country together because it is so much of cultural diversity, food, they look different, they eat different, their cultural values, mindset, thinking, everything, philosophy, everything so changed. Religions, many religions, very socio-economic, everything is so diversified. So unity in diversity was possible. One of the main factor was film music. Films and film music. Film music, even if you don't know the language Hindi, which was mostly the prevailing language of Bollywood, still the people of India, they could murmur the song, sing the song, even they don't understand the words, still they are, it's not only the country, beyond that, the countries like, neighboring countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, here Bangladesh, Nepal, they all are maybe politically different countries, but music makes them together. We can identify the music of Pakistan as our music. Pakistan understands Indian music as our music. They never thought of that they are politically separated, because politics has nothing to do with the music. Music has its own region, and this region of music is supported by Bollywood
And
kind
folk,
of film.
and folk music.
Of course,
So
of
how?
course.
You can-
Folk music has also different places, regions, but Bollywood, why this Bollywood music can do this big job to keep everything together, because it took every music, the elements of every music, starting from classical music, even the Western classical music, or other European music, Japanese music, all these places, including the folk music, different folk musics of India. Like you can find Punjabi folk songs in Bollywood, you can find Rajasthani Ghumar and all these songs. Uttar Pradesh, the Hindi belt, there are a lot of different music genres are there. You can find one or the other in any of the films. And it started, I think, 1950, where the music was so important in any of the films that often you'll find 15 to 16 songs in one film. I was just checking one of the film he is now discussing with you, Mother India. It has 12 songs. And the total timing, I found that it was like 45 minutes. 45 minutes of the film is in music. So important. Sometimes the albums of the music was released well before the film was released. And due to that music, the film became popular before it is released. So people started singing and loving those songs. And when the film was released in the theaters, they flocked there and wanted to see how it is filmized there. So today we have to. There are so many other things that like classical music was. I think near about 1950, one of the music director Naushad, who is also the music director of Mother India, he directed one iconic and historical film, Baiju Bawra. Please remember that name. I think if you see this film in black and white era, you will enjoy that. It's such a wonderful drama, and that you can just feel the age of that particular time period of human Indian society. Baiju Bawra. It has many songs. Out of them, 90% were based on the Indian classical music. And at that time, if they wanted to know, if the people knew about the raga, say Raga Malkons, Raga Darbari, you know the rag of Indian music, they are the scales, and this has very special technique to create that ambience. Malkons, Darbari, Bhairavi. So the people knew about that raga because the music was not that, it's not easily available to the common people. So they sang these songs like Malcolm's song, Manatarapat Haridarshan ko aaj like Manatarapat Haridarshan ko aaj understood the feeling of that particular raga, Malkons. Then some of them may be thinking that, okay, let's learn this music. Okay, let's listen more. They can go to the concert, which was not easily available that time. But still, the cassettes are in the market. People tried to buy them, saving their money from bread. So they ate less to find some money to buy one cassette. It happened in my family also.
Yeah.
My father used to thrift some money from his little whatever salary and tried to buy some music. That was the love for music generated in the society. Similarly, there were songs for Rag Darbari, and then folk music. Folk music is an impact on smaller regions there, like one in Uttar Pradesh, one in Rajasthan. Punjabi folk songs are quite different from the UP one. UP has very different music in Bengal. But Bollywood, all these diversities in the folk music can unite together. Incorporated in their films. Like in Mother India, we'll find two songs are especially there. One is the Holy
Aire.
Holy Aire. You want to sing this?
Sure.
It's a wonderful song. Maybe you have already saw this film because it is in Professor Sinhaji's teaching you. So maybe they have saw this, right?
Let's see.
They have seen
That's a
this film,
test.
I think so. Have you screened this in your college or not?
Which
yet?
film?
Mother India.
Alright, yeah. Acha, Hori. Okay.
Uh-huh.
One of the songs from the film we saw. Ho jaye. Why not? Try to recognize each other.
होली आई रे कन्हई होली आई रे होली आई होली आई रे कन्हई होली आई रे होली आई रे कन्हई होली लग दे सुना दे जरा बांसुरी छूटे न रंग ऐसे रंग दे चुनरिया धोबरिया धोए चाहे सारी उमरिया छूटे न रंग ऐसे रंग दे चुनरिया धोबरिया धोए चाहे सारी उमरिया धोबरिया धोए चाहे सारी उमरिया मोहे भाए ना हर जाए रखे बन के मोहे भाए ना हर जाए रखे बन के सुना दे जरा बांसुरी मोहे भाए ना हर जाए रखे बन के सुना दे जरा बांसुरी होली आई रे कन्हई होली आई रे होली आई रे कन्हई रंग झटके सुना दे जरा बांसुरी
This is the song of color festival, Holi. You know, when they throw color to each other, everything becomes colorful in the world. It happened just in 1 month ago,
Springtime.
springtime. After this winter, people celebrate this, and this is a full country-wide festival. And this particular festival is quite associated with different kind of songs, different kind of holy songs. They are called holy songs. Holi is the name of the color festival. So in different sub-regions, you can find a special, like this one is almost like Rag Pilu. Can you sing this one? Kanhaiya ghar चलो गुया आज खेले होले
कन्हैया घर चलो गुया आज खेले होले कन्हैया घर चलो गुया आज खेले होले आज खेले होले गुया आज खेले होले आज खेले होले गुया आज खेले होले कन्हैया घर चलो गुया आज खेले होले कन्हैया घर चलो गुया आज खेले होले अपने मदन से निकले अपने अपने मदन से निकले कोई सावर कोई गोरे अपने अपने मदन से निकले कोई सावर कोई गोरे एक से एक नयन मन भाते एक से एक नयन मन भाते समय उमर के घोड़े कन्हैया घर चलो गुया आज खेले होली कन्हैया घर चलो गुया आज खेले होली
आज खेल होली गुया आज खेल होली गुया
आज खेले होली
आज खेल होली गुया
आज खेले होली कन्हैया घर चलो गुया आज खेले होली कन्हैया घर चलो गुया आज खेले होली
You can feel the happiness, and it's kind of dancing song. As if you are with this pitchkari, then they throw color in this, and then something color in the hands, and they are dancing and teasing each other and putting color to everyone. This is a very special kind of festival, and not only in India, you can find this kind of different festivals in other part. Sometimes this Tomatino festival.
Tomatino in Spain.
In Spain they throw tomato,
right.
tomatoes. And then there are other festivals, it's called in Brazil up there.
In Germany also.
They every country, but mostly they don't throw colors to each other. They color themselves like this, different. Here in India, nobody can stay clear. Whosoever is seated,
Including clothes.
Yes.
yes. You cannot recognize the people. They are all in multicolor.
Multicolor.
And mostly this music and these things go together. So if you watch this film Mother India, at one stage you'll find that there is a color festival. Not only in Mother India, there are so many films there. Holy songs were induced, not induced somehow.
Yeah.
Somehow at the one stage,
Many
because
things.
people at the festival they tend to sing those songs for longer time. Even after 50 years, 60 years, people still sing these songs from that era. This is the deep impact of Bollywood music in our society. So, in my region where I belong to, there are different kind of holy songs. I would like to sing some of them, and they are. There was one film Bagban in
2003.
2003, quite only 22 years ago. This Bagban film has this featured one holy song, which is one of the most common song of holy songs in our region.
रघुबीरा मध में होली खेले रघुबीरा होली खेले रघुबीरा मध में होली खेले रघुबीरा होली खेले रघुबीरा मध में होली खेले रघुबीरा.
In the film, it was different lyrics was there. It was
हिल मिल आवे लोग लुगाई हिल मिल आवे लोग लुगाई भाई महल में भीरा मध में होली खेले रघुबीरा होली खेले रघुबीरा मध में होली खेले रघुबीरा.
the original song which is in our region is
के बीजे लालट बन बनिया राम के बीजे लालट बन बनिया सीता के बीजे लाचीरा रे हाँ सीता के बीजे लाचीरा रे हाँ कोई करे रघुबीरा कोई करे रघुबीरा रघुबीर कोई करे रघुबीरा.
There are similar songs also like खेलत प्यारी संग हो रे बेहस करत झक झोरे
खेलत प्यारी संग होरी रे बेहस करत झक झोरे खेलत प्यारी संग होरी रे बेहस करत झक झोरे परिसर मोरा मारी पिचकारी परिसर मोरा मारी पिचकारी फेर मलक मुख रोई रे हाँ फेर मलक मुख रोई रे हाँ बेहोश करत झक झोरी खेलत प्यारी संग होरी रे बेहोश करत झक झोरी.
and also
भारत लाल
it's the same but a different song just 3-4 minutes each
भारत लाल गुलाल सवे मिलाए चंदन केसर घोरी भारत लाल गुलाल सवे मिलाए चंदन केसर घोरी भारत लाल गुलाल सवे मिलाए चंदन केसर घोरी कमल नयन श्री श्याम मनोहर कमल नयन श्री श्याम मनोहर कमल नयन श्री श्याम मनोहर राधा प्यारी गोरी राधा प्यारी गोरी भारत लाल गुलाल सवे मिलाए चंदन केसर घोरी भारत लाल गुलाल सवे मिलाए चंदन केसर
Some Hindi songs are not of this tune because they are almost in the same tune. You can sing some more, 1-2 more song which is different from them. Which one?
करी श्रृंगार होरी खेलन को पिया सो आई नव भामिनिया करी श्रृंगार होरी खेलन को पिया सो संग
one as having some different kind of treatment of the notes, which we call Tilak Kamod in the rag or something. This tune was used in one of the film Umrao Jan. It's one of classic Hindi film, Umrao Jan, and it was in different context. So it was like when a girl was married to one family, in a boy of one family, and the family after marriage takes to their family. So it's a painful separation for the parents of the girl to separate their daughter to going away to some another place. So the girl complains to her father, why you married me to that distant place where I cannot see you frequently. This was reflected in that song of Umrao Jan.
काहे को ब्याहे विदेश अरे लखिया बाबुल मोरे काहे को ब्याहे विदेश अरे लखिया बाबुल मोरे काहे को
So the tune is the same, but it is not that holy song. In folk music, it's not only the tune that matters, it matters the lyrics. Lyrics is more important there. There are so many songs in folk music were taken to film music and
Can I say one more thing?
Huh?
Also, the rhythm matters because here there was a slow
Pathos.
pace that was like,
Pathos.
a pathos and also procession that is taking the bride away from the parents' house. So there's that rhythm matters. So it won't be like the upbeat holy songs that you had, right?
Yeah.
This was a
Yes,
sad
yeah,
kind
it's
of
true.
thing. So pace matters.
Ah.
Yeah.
So rhythm plays a quite important role in this thing.
Yeah.
Ah.
In Mother India, remember the first song where the bride, she turns into bride, right? And then there is this very slow kind of bullock cart in which she goes away from the parents' house, Mother Radha, right? That pace.
This one.
Right, that song from Mother India.
There are similar songs with the same context, like this is a Viday Geet sort of. So
Viday means
Viday.
goodbye or something, departure.
Departure.
Yeah.
Goodbye, yes, the
Yeah.
right word.
So there are many.
Painful goodbye.
Yeah, painful goodbye. That bittersweet thing.
Right, exactly.
So, so we sing some other holy songs maybe because today we have focused into the holy songs of different regions. There are few more like Rasiya is sung in the western UP like Mathura and all these places. रसिया को नार बनावो रे रसिया को
रसिया को नार बनावो रे रसिया को
जमुना
तट शाम खेले हो रे जमुना तट शाम खेले हो रे जमुना तट जमुना तीर भीड़ गोपियन की जमुना तीर भीड़ गोपियन की कोई सावरी कोई है गोरी जमुना तट कोई सावरी कोई है गोरी जमुना तट शाम खेले गोरी जमुना तट बाजत बीन मृदंग झांझ डफ बाजत बीन मृदंग झांझ डफ नाचत कृष्ण राधे
the rhythm, you should feel free to clap, like I was doing. Get the rhythm, okay? Right?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay, it's a
come
group
me.
song, folk music.
So let's sing one kind of song they can also sing.
Okay.
Which is skill.
Get into the mood.
Ranga giridhari re moke darona Ranga giridhari re moke darona Ranga giridhari re moke darona Ranga giridhari Ranga giridhari mo Ranga giridhari Ranga giridhari mo Ranga giridhari moke darona Ranga giridhari हाथ में चुड़िया सिर पे लहरिया हाथ में चुड़िया हाथ में चुड़िया हाथ में चुड़िया सिर पे लहरिया सिर पे लहरिया सिर पे लहरिया हाथ में चुड़िया हाथ में चुड़िया सिर पे लहरिया सिर पे लहरिया सिर पे लहरिया सिर पे लहरिया सिर पे भर पिचकारी सिर से गगरी उतारी रे हाँ सिर से गगरी उतारी रे मुझे डारो हाँ मुझे डारो गला गिरधारी रे मुझे डारो गला गिरधारी रे मुझे डारो गला गिरधारी हाथ में जुड़िया हाथ में want to sing with all you could do. I think you could have sung also with us. So some of the ragas of Indian classical music, if you know about something about the ragas are the different scales. It's more than that, beyond that. One scale can be raga, and then one scale, when you develop it, delineate the raga, it is with some grammar of that, and this is the prominent note. This note has not to be used in the ascending coming. There are so many rules and everything. You are not music student, so I am not bothering you too much. But to understand the raga, so there are few ragas which was evolved from the folk music to classical music, and this Bollywood has helped this a lot to popularize that kind of songs, and finally it went to the classical music. It also helped to revive the old traditions, like Rag Kafi, one of the rag, which was associated in the spring season songs like Holi or other kind of things. This Kafi rag was supposed to be with having this third note and seventh note, flatter and everything. And Bollywood puts, this is one of the songs from 1963, Godan. Name of the film was Godan in 1963. And it's, there was Mohammad Rafi singing this song, Holi Khelat Nandalal Biraj Mein. Holi Khelat Nandalal Biraj Mein.
Holi Khelat. Holi Khelat. Holi Khelat. Holi Khelat. Holi Khelat. ग्वाल बाल संग रास जावे, ग्वाल बाल संग रास जावे, नटखट नंद गोपाल जमे, नटखट नंद गोपाल जमे, होली खेलत जमे, होली खेलत सारे रे गारे सारे and this music was given by Pandit Ravi Shankar ji. So he maybe took the ragas and the reference from there and just put it in the song. So the lyrics is by Anjan and the music by Pandit Ravi Shankar. So in this raga there are a lot more other songs are there. One of them is Brij Mein Hari Holi Ke. ब्रिज में हरे हो रे मचाए मचाए, ब्रिज में हरे हो रे मचाए मचाए, ब्रिज में हरे हो रे मचाए. Rhythm is not that easy one which you found in other song. It is like 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. ये जय हरि हो रे मचाए मचाए वे जय हरि हो रे मचाए मचाए वे जय हरि हो रे मचाए तैसा निकासे कुंवर राधिका उदसे कुंवर कन्हाई उदसे कुंवर कन्हाई तैसे निकासे कुंवर राधिका उदसे कुंवर कन्हाई खेलत भाग परस्पर हिल मिल खेलत भाग परस्पर हिल मिल खेलत भाग परस्पर हिल मिल सो सुख बरने सो सुख बरने न जाए सो सुख बरने न जाए ब्रज में हरि हो रे मचाए मचाए ब्रज में हरि हो रे मचाए ब्रज में हरि हो रे मचाए मचाए ब्रज में हरि हो रे मचाए मचाए ब्रज में हरि हो रे मचाए ब्रज में हो रे मचाए 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 हो रे मचाए हो रे मचाए. Changing the rhythm. In the first part, it is depicted as Krishna is coming with his team to play Holi, and another part from Radha, she is coming with her team. So they approach each other and they play Holi together. So when they play Holi, the rhythm changes. Before that, Ekasa nikase kumare Radhika udase kumara kanhari itase nikase kumare Radhika udase kumara kanhari खेलत भाग परस्पर हिल मिल सो सुख बरने न जाए ब्रज में हो रे मचाए मचाए 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 हो रे मचाए हो रे मचाए ब्रज में हो रे मचाए मचाए ब्रज में हो रे मन, तेरे में हो रे, तेरे में हो रे मचाए. So this kind of explanations in the folk music of this holy festival. Today we focused mostly on those songs which were featured in Bollywood music as well as their counterpart in folk classic. This Mother India film has a lot of other things very important, like how the name Mother India came. The name Mother India was given to this film because of one of the book was written in American writers.
Catherine Mayer.
Yeah, maybe you have already taught all these things, maybe. So she wrote this book and had some very bad impression for the Indian traditions and Indian society, and they want to hit back. No, we are not that bad. So it was depicted in different contexts, and it was depicted that India is so bad at this and that. So many things were written, and they wanted to hit back, and the film became the medium for that. Mahbub, he made this film, and his name Mother India, to depict the Indian woman, how they sacrifice for their cultural value and their values of the society. And even at the last stage, she kills his own son, her own son, and how the feeling of mother and the feeling of a strong Indian woman, how they. So this you have already noticed in the film. And this kind of story was there before. In 1940, there was another film called Aurat, and the story was taken from there. And it was this Mother India film has such a deep impact over the society of Indian and Roma that era. I think women empowerment or the depicting women in different contexts, these all came due to this film. And the actress Nargis, who played role of young woman to mother, their so strong acting, and people liked so much that it became one of the blockbuster of that era. And often it is said that it earned money in box office. If you take this inflation to this age, and you will find that they earned more than today's many blockbuster films. It was really a most successful film.
It was the first film to be nominated in the Oscars as well.
Indian film.
Yeah, the first Indian film.
Mm.
So it has a lot of impact in the Indian film society, and it was a very pivotal film that time, that very important one for everyone. And also the Nargis and Sunil Dutt, who played the role of mother and son, and later they became the husband and wife. So due to the in the movie there was some chaos, the fire something, and that led to their some closeness between them. And but
I mean, Sunil Dutt saved Nargis
Yeah.
from this fire by some blanket over there.
Yeah.
For that.
And Sunil Dutt got injured and
Yeah.
was admitted to hospital. Nargis used to take care of him, and finally they have some.
But the director stopped them for having the marriage and told them to have that later because after because or there it will be
Popularity will impact.
Yeah.
The people that traditional Indian society will not accept the mother and son.
Getting married.
And so they could not understand that this is acting and this
By
is the real
observing
life.
film, they are
Sometimes-
emotionally attached.
They are so much attached that they cannot understand that they are not real mother and son. They are the actor and the actress there.
Blend between
It is
these.
such
emotionally
a
attached.
such a
So
deep
that's
because
impact
people
on
used to
this.
connect to the movies more because there was I think he told me the story. There was one film. Santoshi Mata, and people used to just leave the shoes outside the
Because it
theater
is
just
a
to watch.
religious film, So, and this Jayama Santoshi Masa is become a one deity of one deity. So, in one theatre, on 2 years, 2.5 years, continuously showed the screen the film for that longer time. One of the most blockbusters of that time.
And people used to throw
People
flowers
used,
and
when the
just,
Santoshima appeared in the
screen.
screen, they used to throw money there, just offer there. Sometimes people used to leave their shoes outside because you cannot go with the shoes into the temple. So theatre became the temple. So it was such a
So
deep
it's
impact.
emotional attachment. You know.
Emotional attachment. Finally, they went out and find all the shoes were gone. But I can see how people started having fasting on the name of Santoshima on every Friday for years after the film.
So shall we have turn into Q&A question answer? Correct. It's about
Okay,
11:30
it's time to
right now.
question.
Shall we do that?
Okay,
Yeah.
11.
Yeah. So we'll kind of finish this formal part, which was not that formal, but I thought we'll leave some time for us before we finish the class for us to ask questions, or if if you were able to make your own connections, maybe offer comments and so forth, and we'll be able to happy to respond to. Maybe for 10 minutes we'll have this
Yeah.
session and then we'll conclude the session.
So Muttaji wanted us to sing some more, but I think we will come someday
other
again. And
folk, other folk.
Want to do one more? What do you think?
I think
Shall
first
do
we
one
have the
more?
question
Okay,
answer.
let's do one more, and then we'll do a
Other
little
type
bit
of
of questions.
Okay, I will do that in the last. Before that, if you have any
Okay, let's have a
discussion
little
with us. It's not a
conversation,
question
we'll
answer.
finish up with
Yeah,
a
if
kind
you
of
Just
have
come
any
out,
question
talk.
regarding anything.
So
yes,
5
please.
minutes of questions.
So I'm wondering, I notice a lot of Indian influence in Western music, and I'm wondering if you guys notice it. Do you feel like it's like, does it excite you, or does it feel more appropriative or decontextualized when you hear like samples of Indian songs and like Western music?
So when a lot of Indian music has been taken into the Western context, so do you feel that's a good thing, or that they are appropriating
I
it or
think this is
diluting
one
it?
of the
or
best
something?
thing. When our humanity needs that, because now we are getting so much diversified, separated,
It is
divided.
good, it is good.
It's not good. We should be all one in everywhere.
So the more it spreads,
music
is good.
music is the one of the greatest glue that can join the society
Share with
together.
anyone, yeah.
And I want to say one more thing, that not only the Western music, Indian music were taken to Western, the
Western.
opposite also happened.
Many
Like
songs.
the very famous composition of Mozart, Symphony 5, I think, was taken into Bollywood music. And yeah, without, sir.
Would you
इतना
all-
ना मुझसे तू प्यार बड़ा मैं एक बादल आवारा जन्म जनन रात मेरे तेरे
Sing this for us.
So the Mozart one, na ba ba ga na re sa sa ni na ba ma ma ni da da ni da da ni da da ga ma re re sa ni da ba ma. So it's a very good thing that the Western and Indian are just getting mixed and they are just taking each other's good things. That should happen in a society.
It happened in many
And it is
songs.
well
Salil
accepted.
Chaudhary, the music director, who was famous for all these things, he used to, he's a very good sitar player and also very good in Indian music as well. He is not a like Western composition, but he took music from everywhere. I remember one of the incident when I went to Greece and was doing some fusion piece with the traditional Greek musician, and they were from the north part, I think, of the Greece. So one of the lyrics, so when I reminded one of the song, okay, this one is in one Bengali song. I was singing like, Shukno Patanu So the lady became, it's your song? It's our song. Because we have a tradition. Yes, it is your song. We
Yeah,
have
many.
stolen it.
There are many Ravindra Sangeet that has been.
many Iranian
Like
also
আগুনের পরশমণি ছোঁয়া প্রাণে এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এই জীবন পূর্ণ করো, দহন So you can remind the church music or carols, all these things, isn't it? So it's good that Rabindranath Tagore, the Nobel laureate of Bengali literature, he was impressed by the songs of, when he visited Europe, he was impressed by the songs of church music from 17th century, 16th century, and he took them to his music. And he could impact over other music too. This year I went to Japan and found one of the lady was singing Japanese translation of Tagore's songs. And she, without knowing that how this song could be, she was singing, her name was Mummy, and Mummy was singing these songs like I said, wow, this looks like a girl. I said, have you ever listened that original songs there? She said, no, I didn't. Such a great coincidence. Then I sang for them some songs that listen, the original songs of Tagore also. Ei lovenu shanga tava shundara shundara. Ei lovenu shanga tava shundara shundara. Purnahara angamava purnahara antaro shundara he shundara. Ei lovenu shanga tava. Ei monihara nahi saje. So you remind of some European kind of songs there. They are all.
That's an interesting.
Yeah.
And then what I'm thinking about in film is that film, as you were saying, has such a strong impact.
Yeah, yeah.
It seems like film has become this lab where all of these musics from west,
Yeah.
styles from Western India are coming and kind of
incorporated.
being transformed in a way, right? Rethought, remade, and then it circulates. Okay.
Just now it released in a movie, not just now, it's in 2018, so Padmavat movie. So, घूमर 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 घूमे रे, घूमर 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 भाई साहब घूमर घूमे रे, जल करे तो सब तरफ जो करो, घूमर घूमर घूमे, हाँ घूमर घूमर घूमे जाके, ढोला वाले खा के घूमर घूमर घूम, घूमर घूमर घूम. It's a folk music of Rajasthan, घूमर dance, a very famous one. Chhattisgarh also. Chhattisgarh is one of the state of India having some scheduled tribes there. There are tribes there. So they are sung Sasural Ginda
We like that.
Yes, sir.
Very.
Ah,
We'll end with this one.
Genda
We have a couple of minutes.
Sasrari devi nanad zakine ve sasral kapoor. It's a very common song in a movie, Delhi 6, much in 2000s movie. and it has taken the songs, traditional folk song from Chhattisgarh.
So let's end with one song which was a dedicated to humming. So 2 minutes more?
Yeah, yeah.
What time? Isha.
हमारी अटरिया पे आवो सवरिया देखा देखी बनवा हुए जाए हमारी अटरिया पे आवो सवरिया देखा देखी बनवा हुए जाए हमारी अटरिया 10 गुण में चलिया दे हो कुछ बात भी होती है शबे फुरकत भी होती है मुलाकातें भी होती है हमारी अटरिया पे आओ सवरिया देखा देखी बनवा हुई जाए हमारी अटरिया प्रेम की भिक्षा प्रेम की भिक्षा मांगे भिखारन लाज हमारी रखियो साजन लाज हमारी रखियो साजन आवो सजन तुम हमरे द्वारे आवो सजन तुम हमरे द्वारे सारा झगड़ा खत्म हो जाए हमारी अटरिया पे आवो सवरिया देखा देखी बनवा हो जाए हमारी अटरिया पे हमारी अटरिया पे हमारी अटरिया This is a Bagya originally sang by Begum Akhtar ji.
60, 70 years ago.
Yeah, and later in 2014, it was taken in a movie, a sequel movie, Ishqiya and then Dare Ishqiya movie, which was a movie of Madhuri Dixit, and it was sang by Rekha Bharadwaj ji, and she sang in a different way, of course, but the song was the same.
What is
The song, original song got revived by this film.
Yeah.
So this happened because nobody, the new generation didn't know about that.
Popularized.
It was again revived or repopularized by this
So
film.
that was another thing that was occurring to me. You mentioned so much that Indian or world music comes into film.
Huh.
My question, Robert, what are the, does it, this lab, work that goes on, does it influence those other traditions also? But you've answered that question right
Lot
now.
of
So the
influences.
traffic is both ways.
Yeah, both ways.
Ah,
Correct.
well, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And if you want to come and talk to these people here, come. And I think my suggestion is I'm going to take, after we back up, take them to lunch here. So if some of you want to come and join and continue the conversation, please come
We will
and join
have
us.
a group photograph first.
Or let's have a group photograph and then we'll disperse the class. Okay? I know you have other responsibilities. So can you just stand, line up here? I'll go and